Day 4 started with spinning the prayer wheels and sending our prayers to universe, asking strength and agility for the day. We are headed for Somare village today. It is going to be the longest day of the trek. The trail today is a mix of rugged terrain and breathtaking views. Though I'll admit it was very hard to fully appreciate the scenery when I was so focused on just putting one foot in front of the other. But every now and then I had stopped and looked up at the snow capped peaks towering above, and it gave me the strength to keep going. Meeting fellow trekkers and sharing stories on the stops along the way has been a highlight of the day and encouragement for each other. It's comforting to know we are all in this together, each pushing ourselves towards the same goal. Vinod Rawat, a bob knee amputee from India, was trekking along with us with a prosthetic leg. He was a motivation to move forward for all of us. He had lost his one leg in a truck accident at age 6. It's amazing how trek brings people together from all walks of life, each with their own reasons for taking on this challenge. We stopped for lunch at Fulketenga. We refueled for the long climb ahead. The menu was extensive, but I stayed with the basic dal and bhat. From there on, it was an uphill battle to Tengboche. Here, we saw rare species of birds, monau bird. The hike was tough, but arriving at Tengboche felt like a major accomplishment. The view of the monastery, nestled against the backdrop of towering peaks, was absolutely breathtaking. Standing there, surrounded by such serenity, made the effort worthwhile. Visiting the Tengboche Monastery was a highlight of the day. The calm and spiritual energy of the place offered a moment of peace in the midst of all the physical challenges. It's amazing to think that this monastery has been here for centuries, offering guidance to trekkers and climbers alike. Today tested me in ways I didn't expect, mentally more than physically. Each step felt like a challenge, as if my body and mind were in a constant tug of war. The altitude is becoming more noticeable, with every breath reminding me of how far I have come from sea level. It was a real lesson in perseverance. The sun was setting in, giving way into cold and wind. We had reached Tengboche, 7 kilometers shy from our target. We decided to rest for the night. The accommodation was basic with comfortable bed and shared bathroom. Our guides guided us to a hotel and we checked in. I decided to take a shower. Shower was outside in a makeshift bathroom. I was going to be the first to experiment with it. The hotel had installed a new hot water heater. The water was lukewarm, but shower after 4 days felt like amazing. It was a little luxury we all spurs in that night. Now, as I am settled into my sleeping bag, I'm exhausted and proud. Tomorrow is another step closer to Everest Base Camp, and despite the challenges, I'm ready to keep moving forward, one step at a time.